Everybody, Steve at electricaltime.com. So we got 3 condensing units that are really close to each other, and basically where the disconnect is, it's right behind each of the condensing units, so we don't have working space. All right, so we know it's wrong. And if we take a look at 110.26a, working space, for equipment operating at 1,000 volts or less to ground and likely to require examination, adjustment, servicing, or maintenance while energized, shall comply with the dimensions of 110.26a1, which is depth, 110.26a2, which is width, 110.26a3, which is height, and 110.26a4, which is limited access. All right, let's go check out our table here, but check this out first, the Mike Colt sticker. All right, pretty cool. All right, so here we got table 110.26a1 is called working space in the 2023 NEC, and we're going to be looking at the volts to ground. This is most likely a 208Y/120, so we're going to fall into 0 to 150 volts. We got condition 1, 2, and 3. They're all 3 feet. Now, check this out. Let's read condition 1, 2, and 3. Condition 1, exposed live parts on one side of the working space and no live or grounded parts on the other side of the working space, or exposed live parts on both sides of the working space that are effectively guarded by insulating materials. Condition 2, exposed live parts on one side of the working space and grounded parts on the other side of the working space. Concrete, brick, or tile walls shall be considered as grounded. Condition 3, exposed live parts on both sides of the working space. Okay, check that out. We got our disconnects. We got those condensing units. Is that condition 1, 2, or 3? All right, let me know in the comments. And check this out. Spoke with a really good friend of mine this morning, fellow electrician, and we were talking about the distances between these condensing units, right? If we open up that panel, do we have live parts in there, right? Do we have live parts? And is this condensing unit considered to be a grounded part? Think about that. Really think about that. Do these condensing units need to be at least 3 feet apart if one side is going to have exposed live parts and the other is going to be grounded parts? Let us know in the comments what you think about this. And also, check out electricaltime.com, where we teach the code, the National Electrical Code, online on Zoom classes. Go there, click on that first button, online electrical classes, and we'll see you in class. And take care. God bless.